Welcome. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to actually create your own book with the use of Canva and actually sell the book for free. This is very simple. You are going to find this video very interesting. It's going to be somehow long, but I would like you to watch this video to the end, and I'll be right back with all the steps. Welcome back. So let's go to our workspace as we start exploration right away. So remember the website once again. The website is canva.com, and when you get to your canva.com, you should have actually create your own the book first. So I'm going to let me create the front cover of the book, and then I'll add the content right away. Look for a template that is similar to my interests. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using as the template, and let me go to image. I'll advise you to be using if you want to actually create a book with the use of Canva, I'd like you to use your own picture, because there may be some issue of copyright at the end of the day. So the picture I'm actually using now is from them. So try as much as possible to use your own picture if you want to actually do a lot with Canva. Israel. Can I see the name? I can zoom in about yep, so that's the name. So nothing else about the book. The next thing I'm going to do is to move to the next page, and for the next page I'm going to make it blurry this time, and it's going to be maybe about the book, this and that. It's something I did not edit here. Let's try the event 2020. So this is going to be, maybe this is the page for about the book. To make it bold, and at the same time change the color to, I'll just go and look for what I want to use as about the book. I will add that immediately. So copying something now from desktop. What kind of fonts can I use for about the book? Look for a simple font that would be simple for viewer. Okay, this is not bad. I think the about is also much, and I'm going to use the opportunity to shorten it. It's not really the about, I'm just copying some content from my book and eBay 2020. Okay, so let me create one more page so that we'll have something to talk about. I know your own will be totally different from mine. Just try as much as possible to add a taste of creativity into it. What's happening to my book now is that okay, so I've actually added the little I can add. So from here right now, let me delete the rest, or let me see whether I can 14 is it not too tiny? Okay, this is not bad. So the rest will be the next page, but I'm not going to do that. So these are the three major pages I've actually designed: Art at Mind. And what I'm going to do is very simple. After this, you download it as PDF. Very simple and straightforward. You download everything as PDF, but I want to create the font cover that I'm going to be using for advertisement. Let me download them one after the other one. And I only need the 3 pages and I'm fine. So I can download everything at once. Let me try to download everything at once. I don't want it to come out as okay, I don't want this. Saving them, the last one. Okay, the website for us to add this cover is called smartmock.com. So this is the website. When you get there, just go to book. You will actually understand this, that you need some of this as the book cover, how the book looks like and more. So maybe I'm going to be using the first one. Or let me check. Is there anyone again that is interesting there, like front and back, this and that? I think this one is more having. This is fine. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm uploading the front page. So how do I upload that? Upload front page. Let me upload it from image. You can upload from Canva. How do you do that? To upload from Canva, go back to your design. When you get to your design, click on the three button. Then you will see mock. Is it there? Used to be there. Trying to look for it, whether I can find it. Or let's search. Yeah, that's it. Is it over here? You click on it, it will download there, then you'll be bringing it up. Let me just add this one immediately. Page 1 alone, then save. It will save directly in SmartMock immediately. So you can use those two major ways you can use. So that you save it direct into your laptop, or you save it to SmartMock. So let's bring this one from Canva. And to bring all what I've uploaded on Canva, this is the one I just uploaded. So this is exactly the size of the book. Good. So crop and continue. Yeah, this is my book. And then the next one, this time we have to add the heading here. We've not designed that, but let's add the back. This time I'm going to be uploading the back. The back, I'm going to use one of the pages as the back. Download. I'm fine with this. That's the back. Then this side of the book, let me just go back to Canva design, or just delete this. I think this is fine, but it's not straight. Fine. That's all I've been inside here. Then download page 2. After downloading page 2, I go to my smart mark. I'm adding this time. Upload. Not uploading from Canva, I'm uploading directly from my system. Then what can I do to tell this? How can I rotate? Yeah, there is rotate there. So that's all I've been inside there. I can actually write the title. On the normal day, it's meant to be the title. So that's fine. Crop and fine. So this is my book. That's all I've been inside. Heart at mind. Is the title not too dull? So when you are considering printing, maybe the outline should be lighter. So the next thing I'm going to do, I can download it out. Download. What size do I want to download it? High. Downloading it in a very high size. Then it's already downloading. Downloaded. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go to the site where we are going to be uploading our book, and we upload it for free, and we are going to be selling the book there. So how do we sell our product right now? So to sell our products, we are going to be visiting a site called payhips.com. So when you get there, just add your email to get started. This is a website for you to actually set up to sell your book, sell any material that you have actually written, and you can actually get paid when anybody actually buy your product from this website. So I'm getting started. I've actually added my password. So let me save the password so that make sure that the name you use here is actually your name, your full name, so because it's going to be showing under the description of your book. I get started to actually sell my book. So this will give viewer opportunity to buy your book digitally. They have about different payment mode. Let me show you some of their payment mode. I'm going to be using their free mode today. So add products. Yes, the most important part of your store is your product. Yep, I'll do that later. So let me just add the products right away. So I want to add my digital product, add a physical product, add description product. So I'm adding a digital product. So what are those things that I'm going to be asked to upload? The first thing is for me to upload my file. Although I open, then I will just look for the PDF file. I upload the PDF file in. This is the PDF file. Then choose a title for your product. Heart at mind. Then how much is the product? US dollar. Let me just call it $5. 5 and 0. Okay, and I'll need to add the picture that we actually saved that time, so I'll be adding the picture now. Have I saved? Yes, this is it. I saved, add the picture over here, which will actually show my product to anybody that is going to be buying my product. So if I want to upload another one about 2-3, I can do that. So add description, add everything about the description, add product. So the moment you add the product, is going to what is going to take you to the next page where you will continue the process of the adding of the product. So you are going to be doing this for free. This is lovely. I won't lie to you. And then, as I said, the website is payhip.com, and you can check more about this website. You can, let me check my dashboard. You can check the payment mode. There are 3 payment mode. I'm trying to look for the payment mode. Let me check account, marketing, analysis, products. Now looking for the payment mode so that you can see there are 3 payment mode actually. So from there you will know the one that you will like to work on. So thank you very much. I'm very sure that you enjoyed this video. So I'll be right back with more video. You can actually upload this on Amazon also. Remember, we design it from the scratch to the end, where we actually upload our book for free. Remember, they are collecting just 2% of the book, of the payment on the book, and if you are paying monthly, you are going to be, it is going to be free. There won't be anything like collecting anything from you at all. So give it a try. I'll be right back with more video on how to use Canva. Bye. Thank you. Bye.